My last 3 months on Amazon KDP. If you have been following me on this channel, then you must have observed that the last video that I uploaded was somewhere around in February. And after that, I haven't uploaded any video about KDP on this channel. And I was completely away with Amazon KDP as well. So what exactly happened with Amazon KDP in last 3 months? That is exactly what I'm going to share with you in today's video. So make sure that you watch the video till the end and I'll see you on the other side of the video. Alright, so on this channel, I am generally uploading the videos around my KDP journey, my learning, my experience, my knowledge, everything about KDP, and I also share my monthly income report about Amazon KDP income as well. So the last income report that I uploaded was January 2022, and after that I haven't uploaded any income report as well since I was completely away from Amazon KDP in past few months. Okay, in case if you haven't checked out any of my videos, make sure that you take a look at them, and if you like them, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. Okay, now coming back to the topic, what exactly happened with my KDP in the past 3 months? And along with past 3 months, we will also consider the fourth month, February as well, because I haven't uploaded my February income report as well. So let's see what exactly happened with my KDP account. So before that, let's take a look at my January income report. Okay, so I have just opened that video. So I just earned $10, and at that time, the number of books that I had was 165 books. Okay, now after that, if we take a look at the present situation, so this is current month wherein I have earned around $2.64 royalty. So total book count is 166. So in January we had 165, and this one book was something that I made somewhere in February. And after that, I was completely inactive with Amazon KDP. All right, so first take a look at the number of orders, the number of books those have been sold during past 3 months. And when I say past 3 months, so let's also include February as well, because I haven't uploaded the income report for February. So let's make it 4 months. So let me go and select over here the custom range. And you know, one interesting thing about Amazon KDP is that even if you go and select the custom range, but it will not allow you to select more than 90 days. So let me just do 1st February, and we'll do 1st February to 30th April. Okay, so total number of units those were sold from February 1st to April 30th, 23. Now let's take a look at what was there for 1st May to 30th of May. So 9. So that means total 39 units, 39 books were sold. Now let's take a look at the royalty part of it. So let me go to here, again go to custom, and we'll once again select the date ranges 1st February to April, and see how much is the royalty. That is 80.77. Let me just note it down over here. That is 80.77 US dollar. And next we'll select for the last month. Okay, so last month is basically May, so that's going to be 23.66. So if I just increase the font size, okay, let me just do it this way so we can see that in 4 months I have made, if we do the calculation, so that is 80.77 plus 23.66. Oh, it is 104.43 US dollars. So that is what I have made in last 4 months. Yeah, 4 months, correct. That is 104.43 USD. And the interesting thing is that only one book that I uploaded in the month of February, and after that I haven't uploaded even a single book on Amazon KDP. So isn't that cool, right? Because this whole income has been a complete passive income, I must say, because I haven't done even single minute of an effort to do anything related to KDP in past around 3.5 months. So this is something that is pretty cool about Amazon KDP. That's what I like, because whenever I had time, so I uploaded the books, and after that, uh, uh, when I was not able to devote time for Amazon KDP, so it just kind of kept being there. And whenever the books were getting sold, all my previous books, so I was able to generate some sort of a passive income out of it. And this is what is something which is very interesting that I like the most about Amazon KDP. So for this year, I had my goal to do 10x of my KDP income. Now, if we consider that, if you haven't seen this video, I would suggest you to go and take a look at that so that you'll get to know about what exactly my goal is and what exactly that 10x income is going to be. And if we see at present, I am somewhere not around any close to whatever my goal is, because I was not able to devote any time for KDP in past 3 months, and I haven't created any new book. So that is the reason I'm kind of a bit far from my goal. But it's say that it's better late than never, and it is not too late as well, because this is just the June and we have time till December. So I'm pretty much hopeful that I should be able to meet my goal. And with KDP, even a single book, if that gets successful, right? So it can cover kind of the complete goal, whatever I have set. So I'm just hoping that some book of mine, it would kind of hit that goal and it will allow me to reach that specific goal. And another interesting thing is that I'm not spending any amount for running the ads. So I tried running ads, but after that I stopped it. I was not getting any fruitful results. And as I said, I was not able to devote time to that. So that's the reason, I even stopped uh, doing that experimentation about running ad, and everything was completely kind of passive. So yes, this is what exactly that happened with my KDP in last around 3 months, or we can say 4 months, and I was able to kind of generate a pure 104.43 US dollars of passive amount. And if we convert this into Indian rupees, right? So if we somewhat consider around 77 rupees, so it is 8,000 Indian rupees, I'll say. Okay, so with that, I would like to conclude it over here, and I'll try to be more active on Amazon KDP going forward, and I'll be kind of uploading more videos around KDP as well. So I'm hoping for the best, and in case if you're liking this content, make sure that you like this video, and it would be great if you subscribe to this channel. If you like the videos, then only I'll suggest to subscribe that. That would be really helpful. I appreciate your time watching this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, happy publishing.